Mastering the passive voice with could in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into a very specific yet important topic: the use of the passive voice with the modal verb could. This topic can seem tricky, but by the end of this video, you should be comfortable using it in your everyday English conversations and writings. Before we jump straight into our main topic, let's first have a quick recap of the passive voice. The passive voice is a grammatical construction where the subject of the sentence is acted upon by the verb. For example, the cake was eaten by John. Here, the subject, the cake, is the one that's receiving the action. This is in contrast to the active voice, where the subject is the doer of the action. John ate the cake. The active sentence focuses on John, but the passive sentence emphasizes the cake. Next, let's talk about modal verbs. These are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, ability, permission, or possibility. Examples of modal verbs are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. Today, we are focusing on could, which expresses possibility or past ability. Now, let's combine our understanding of passive voice and modal verbs to understand passive voice with could. When we use could in the passive voice, it often implies that something was possible but did not actually happen. For example, the test could have been passed by him. Here, the implication is that he had the ability to pass the test, but he did not. Or it can also imply a hypothetical situation. For instance, the tasks could be done by robots. This sentence suggests the possibility that robots could perform the tasks, but it doesn't mean that they are doing so. To construct a sentence in the passive voice with could, we use the following structure. Subject plus could plus be plus past participle of the main verb. For instance, the problem could be solved by the team. Let's practice with a few more examples. The letter could be written by him. The cake could be baked by her. Remember, using the passive voice with could allows you to express possibility, hypothetical situations, or unfulfilled past potential. That's all for today's topic on the use of the passive voice with could. Hopefully, you now have a clear understanding of how to use this grammatical construction. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using it in your English conversations or writings. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!